Okay, so here we are in Edmonton. It's April, and we're going from just one extreme form of weather to another. First, it was warm earlier in the week, and thunderstorms and no snow, and now there's a blizzard coming in, and it's around 0 degrees in April. There you go. You see that snow's really starting to come down here. Those flakes are really flying. So you can see the snow there. And this is less than a week after we had warm weather, sunny skies, no snow, and thunderstorms here in Edmonton, Canada. Here in April. April in Alberta can be very extreme weather. Anything from close to 30 degrees Celsius or it's about 90 Fahrenheit. You get nearly that warm to below 0 degrees Celsius, freezing, thunderstorms, snow. You can get pretty much anything in Alberta in April or May. Here we go. It was not long ago when it was really warm and there were thunderstorms here in Edmonton. Now look at it. It's a blizzard. Close to 0. Snow is really flying now. Edmonton in April. Gotta love it. Right. That snow fly. Only days ago it was warm, snowless, and thunderstorms. Here we go. Look at this. Extremely unstable weather here in Alberta in April. All the extremes, a whole mixed bag. Look at that. Blizzard in April. Huh. Lovely. She is really giving her there. Collecting on the ground quite a bit. Oh, the joys of Mother Nature in Alberta in spring. Great. Hopefully it'll get warm again, but no guarantees up here, this far north. Bloody great. Edmonton in April.